Yo, Lion, what go on? What you do visit to them, man?
There, man. Me not think you say you get one bag of color bring come, man.
Easy no, man. The man them not done spray the thing them, so I soon get it off of the farm.
All them Weber spray thing. When we are boy, I grow all them they sitting and spray sitting no go on, man. The thirsty man, me there sit down, man. Me ring all my back, you know. Them boy out there, the car the way I make the weaponize with the alarm. The little boy, me like to see young people try, you know. Lion like to see young people try, man. But he look like a chick, then chicken man sell him sit, man. Me say, every time me see him, I push me, we have to help him push it. Push, we have to help him push it. You know better ended by one car or one wheelbarrow. Eh? Every day I see him. Me have to tap off left them out there because me I try and instruct them what to do. You can't buy a motor vehicle and don't know nothing about automobile, man.
But before you even go to so, why your foot, your shoes then depend left and right, so man?
Me pick up all stone in my shoes, yeah, man. Me have got to take it off. But remember, you know, at 2 years now, me I wear it that way, you know. And then kind of lean. So me lion figure say, you know, if me wear it the other way. Right? It balance back out, it even back out. So me have to wear it. Me have to wear 2 years.
That you go mash up your foot,
2
man.
years
You can't wear the foot them like that.
Right? Me I tell you, man, me ring my back, man. Me have to soak like a tuna in a little water. Me have somewhere up there soak, cause sometimes my back kind of give me a little problem, man. But the young man, buy the car and a beer problem. Every day them a push, man. Every day them a push. He look like they all a train for ton mechanic. But me I tell you, man, I instruct like I try instruct them, you know. But the young people not tell it. Right? Me look at me see P in the car. P. And then me see hen. And me see her. Too. And I said then if you don't want to push it, put it in a P. Because P must mean so you don't have to push it. Right? If you don't want to run when you start push it now, then you don't jam it in a heart. That means you can't run when you not push it. Then listen, Lion. Me say if you don't want to do nothing with it, just put it in the hand. Right? I mean, no say if they want to drive it, then they have to put it in a D. And if one somebody in the car with him, you know, you have to put it in a 1. If 2 people in there, then you have to put it in a 2. Right? But then I take telling, them are young people, just like your brethren him. Me see him walk up and down, I talk to himself about half an hour. Me don't know what happened to him.
You talk about, it's a Bluetooth earphone in my van, man. You talk about?
Bluetooth, I walk up and down, I talk.
Yeah, Bluetooth in my ears. He might talk to somebody on the phone.
He look like all you are mad with him too. He look like all you are mad with him. When you hear tooth in your ear, you hear the time it's a Bluetooth in your mouth and normally white teeth. And if them bad color, they might yellow. Or if them are grow gingivitis, some of them might green and have sun sitting upon them. Or they rotten. But Bluetooth, if you even tell me say tooth in your mouth now, then would I say you have like a sense. But you're stupid like him too, man. Stupid like him.
Yeah, I don't know
walk up and down, walk up and down. Me talk to him, you know. You hear me talk to him. I plan for married. I don't want to talk loud, make nobody and say me a jeer, you know. I plan for married. I walk up and down and tell everybody, oh, this is the best man gonna be at the wedding. This is the see that now the woman gone with the best man. Me not wrong her. Cause if Lion are married, no must Lion are gonna be the best man I win.
Of course.
Then the woman have to marry to the best man, not the best man she want married to.
But the best man are usually your friend or your brethren at the wedding, you know?
Lion have to be the best man. The woman only want married to then she could have want married to the worst man. Or the man where no good as the best man. Eh? Me not blame her. Me take him one side, you know. Me try give him like a teachment, you know. Nah, listen to old people, man. Lion I got married, me have to walk up and down and say, Lion are the best man at the wedding, and me, the woman I'm married to, and me are the best man. Then how the woman never did a walk and say, and show her the woman say, the best woman that I got there at the wedding. Eh? When make the woman never walk up and down and say, oh, this are the best woman we got there at the wedding.
You have some truth in that
right?
Still.
No, him a walk up and down. You send up on Bluetooth, but me see him a walk up and down. Attack. Me say to himself, me no know if I sit near having in ears, because tooth can't go in her ears. Which dentist could have fit tooth in her ears? Eh?
No man, a technology, a
but
earphone.
Young people have all kind of different stories to tell old people when they do no foolishness, man. Bluetooth in her ears? No, sir. And me tell you, you know, we have to get something to eat with the bread, you know, because fresh bread, my bread, you know, we drive round and sell bread from bakery bring, you know. But me no, a 2 days now me have it and me liar no want the bread still, you know. Me have to go find something. Me have to go look if one peer where me have up there right because I listen to a program when I eat, you know. And the pastor man I say, man shall not live by bread alone. Me no know if a man can eat bread alone, you know. But when me hear me I go buy. Me no want to go eat bread alone and nothing go wrong with lion. Because lion would have to blame himself.
Yeah.
Right? So me did a hope to see her come with the calalo or a little pop chow or something. But me have to go find something for eat with that bread. Because I don't want it stale.
Shop, man.
Yeah. If I want one banana or something for eat with it, but I don't want to eat it alone because pastor know everything right, you know. And if pastor tell you say you don't eat by bread alone, live by bread alone, like now I'm going to do nothing different, you know. Right? Like me say, he say, man shall not live by bread alone. He never want the woman them. And me go get the bread after that.
So just man alone can't eat bread alone then?
Then that the pastor man say, man, you know more than pastor. But me concerned about your brethren, man. Walk up and down and I talk to him and say, I bet you the next time him a go marry, he not tell nobody say him a go have best man there. I bet you say him a go be the best man the next time.
So where you call long for the money? I tell the man say him a get a divorce, so that you talk about?
The woman gone with the best man. Him no in a picture again. Because I him a tell the woman say this is the best man. So me no wrong the woman. She gone with the best man. Right? Next time, him for be the best man. Lion a go married. Lion a go be the best man at that the wedding there. Right? Lion going to be the best man. I don't want nobody tell me, Lion this a go be. No, Lion a Lion best man. And me a go be the best man for that the woman there. Right? And that me I tell you. So if you can't take him and counsel him, you got to counsel him. Like you say, you have Bluetooth in a few years, so that a part of madness when do take tooth go and put in our ears. Right? Anyway, me want help me up there, man. Me want one little piece of stick. Because me I got try balance up for go home. Me back heart, my man.
Alright,
I have little tuna soak up there in a little water. I have got to drink that. Because that always good for back pain.
Alright, Lion. Do you think, man?
I mean, not get nobody push the whole crosses again. Because I don't know, like me say, the young man I try. I mean, like the young people with ambition, but that way ain't go buy. No, sir. Lion wouldn't do that. Lion, he better end continue riding bicycle and save up more money.
Alright, Lion. Do you think anyway, go up the road there? Alright.
That drink little water before I move off. So, if you can't go get something, I don't know if you... Might be we have to go get 1 pound of chicken or sit and chop up. But you know, say I want a chicken breast meat though.
Yeah.
So, bring 2 pound of chicken. Put chicken breast of in there.
Alright.
And we can eat with bread.
People for more comment like...
I remember... No make nobody give your bread alone.
Alright.
Alright. If you
for more content like this, like, share and subscribe.
You better be the best.